Yo, what's up guys? Pav here from producersbuzz, and today guys, I wanted to show you guys a free VST plugin that you guys can use to achieve 25 different kind of vocal effects inside FL Studio. Now before I start this, Ujam is a free VST plugin. You guys can grab it if you head over to producersbuzz, click on the top here and type in micro. You guys can download it for free, so micro finisher. There'll be a link in more description. You guys can download this. I've done a few other tutorials on this. It's definitely a really cool VST plugin. You don't just have to use it on the vocals. You guys can use it on instruments as well. But talking of vocals, let's check out what we can actually achieve with this VST plugin. Now before I go into this, make sure you guys smash the like and hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Now guys, heading over to this, let's turn on the Finisher Micro. After you install it and download it, it's an extractable file, meaning it will install automatically. Now once you guys get it up, the first effect is called Infinity. Yeah. Second effect, Space Grinder. Hello. Hey. Hey. So as you guys can see, it's reversing the effect. This is a really cool kind of room atmosphere. Now you guys can put it up and put it down to your specifics. This is a really cool kind of reverb if you guys want to use like to achieve a room kind of effect within your song. Like, you know, someone talking in the background, like, oh, but I called him, or I called her and she didn't know, like something in the background, or someone messing about with the phone and someone, you know, pretty cool effect, style, end of the song, really cool effect. Next one is a jet plane. A really cool kind of flanger effect. Again, you guys can really turn it up and turn it down. Okay, this is big hair kind of effect. Really cool. Yeah! Oh, yeah. I kind of messed up the notes at the end. But yeah, you guys kind of get the gist. Really cool effect. Next one is Earthsys. You guys can see really cool effect. And I wanna know if you love me. You guys can use this for like the XXX Tentacion kind of songs. Really achieve this really cool effect. Next one is Distortion. Wow, how cool is that, guys? You can really get that distortion kind of effect just by turning this on, and obviously you can control the effect amount just by turning it down here as well on the master mix, as well as over here. So really cool. Next one is the old radio. Kind of, you know, really cool, because if you guys are using a radio, want a radio effect, you might want to add like a fruity parametric EQ and just add a vocal effect on here, so you guys really get that clear kind of radio voice output effect. Well, once you turn it on. And next one, so there's 25. They're all free, guys. You can download it. The link is in more description. Really cool plugin. Next one is Rotator Cap. So as you guys can see, when I speak into the microphone, it's kind of rotating the sound. Really cool. And again, you can turn that up. So if I go, that Post Malone kind of effect. Yeah! Now if we add reverb to this, and maybe if we add like a stereo enhancer, check this out, ready? Yeah! How cool is that? Not, you know, without even me even trying, that sounded ridiculously good. And you guys can grab that for free. Again, like Finisher Micro done a good job with this. Next one is a frequency shift. If you guys, just want to do a random voice effect that matches this, then again, this is pretty cool. As you guys can see, you can turn that up and really control that shift. Yeah. Okay. E.G. phone home. Come in peace. Bro, I'm having too much fun here. It's only like 9 a.m. But my neighbors love me. Okay, next one. Way. Woo. Hey, guys, check this out. Okay, I know this is so random. This is probably going to be the most random thing I've done on YouTube. But do you guys know Free Willy, the dolphin? Check this out. Guys, just done a bloody dolphin sound. Bro, come on. For the dolphin, guys, you gotta hit the like and hit subscribe. Free Willy dolphin, bro. Come on. Alright, next one. Next one, Slam combi filter. It comes with Slam compressor. Way. Pretty cool effect. Next one is Vibrato. Yeah. You know when you like Tom and Jerry is chasing around and someone hits someone. Bro, I can't. There's too much, man. There's too much for this for me. This one, man. I'm having too much fun here. Alright, next one. So again, 50% is the best output. Obviously, if you want more of the effect, turn it up to max. Another really cool kind of lo-fi kind of effect. If you guys are looking for that lo-fi kind of vocals, yeah. One day, I was walking down the road. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Sorry, I can't sing this morning. Off note. I should really cut that, but just leave it. Okay. Next one. Anyway, guys, turn the reverb off. It's a lead delay. So if you guys are using a lead instrument, you can use a delay. You can also use it on your vocals. Check this out. Yeah. John. Pretty cool. Kind of freaky. Okay, next one is a flanger kind of effect. Really, really cool. Yeah. And if I ever fall in love again. Alright, guys, come on. Really cool effect. Next one is a chorus. Don't know what to sing. Wait, let me just think of something. Bro, how can I run out of something to sing? Come on. I don't know. Wait, I gotta sing something. Ooh, baby, you know. Yeah, you're so beautiful. Hey, come on. Smash that like. Come on, guys. I know I'm probably making you laugh more than anything here, but I'm trying to keep this ridiculously professional. As you guys know, we are Producer Buzz, and I do provide free resources to music production. Sorry, it took me a while to think of it. I've only just woke up literally like half an hour ago. And next one is the phaser. Really cool effect. Yeah. Again, you know, phaser, you can probably get a better phaser effect using a phaser VST. The cabinet, pretty cool effect. If you lock someone in a cabinet, Hey! I'm inside this cabinet. Get me out! I don't know. Anyway. That LLP doesn't work. It never did. Micro needs to fix that. On the other hand, if you're looking for a high-pitched, high-pass kind of sound output, this is really cool. Check this out. So this one is gonna kind of saturate the sound and just give you those highs. Pretty cool, right? I mean, check this out. And all that is doing is cutting off the low band and just giving you the high pass, kind of just giving you the high output. Next one, let's turn that on. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one. It's like you're inside of this room. Hey guys, can you see that? When I talk to you, you feel like I'm inside of this room and it's pretty empty. There's nothing on the wall and the floor is kind of wooden and it's a huge kind of hallway, and it's so cool. Such a cool effect. You can use this for any kind of, you know, streaming or any kind of vocal effect. Really good. Alright, and this one, it's like a space effect. Wow, guys, I'm having too much fun here. This is my favorite effect, by the way. The hanger reverb. It's so cool. It's really nice and mellow. You can achieve these really crazy kind of melodies, and if you want to add atmosphere to your beats, you can also use this for the background. Kind of just amazing kind of atmosphere, and really cool. And next one is just like a gator kind of effect, as you guys can see. Yeah. Oh. Add a bit of reverb. Oh. Guys. Back to the first one. So guys, there we go. This is how you guys can add 25 different vocal effects. You can create sound effects. You can create different kind of voice and vocal outputs inside your instrumentals, inside of your actual compositions, and you can also use it on instruments. So make sure you guys go and grab it below. Again, you guys can get it from Producer Buzz. And also, I started working on a new website, guys. It's called plug4producers.com. So if we have a look here, plug4producers.com, there'll be a link in more description. If you guys are looking to get more VSTs and stuff, I'm going to be outlining some of the best deals online. So like you can save yourself a lot of money. Really cool VST plugins with like 50% savings, 70% savings, and you can save a lot. So I'm still working on his website, but basically what I want to do is I want to save you guys some money. So I want to, like, you know, give you guys all the best free materials and resources. Therefore, you guys can go and grab the micro finisher. It's free and definitely worth adding to your computer. Apart from that, hope you guys enjoyed this today's vocal kind of effect VST plugin that you guys can grab. Drop in more description on what you guys want to see next week. We will be releasing a vocal preset on Friday, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Again, keep dropping your suggestions. Apart from that, peace out, subscribe, and ciao.